Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how basically you can export your selected image from gallery into a PDF document using iTextPDF library inside Android Studio and Java. This is basically the application. Let me run this application on my mobile phone. So you will see it will install it. It will take some time here and then it will install it. So now it is launched this application. You will see it will first of all it will ask for the permission at runtime, allow image PDF to access photos and media on your device. You need to allow this permission. And now there will be a simple button out there which will simply say to you that select images and export to PDF. If I hit this button, my gallery will open here. So I can select images. So you can select one image at a time here. Let me select this image. And as you select this image, guys, you will see a toast message PDF file saved to your location, and then it will ask you if you want to open this. I will select this PDF viewer, and this is basically your PDF file, guys. You will see it is successfully saved here. This is basically taking the full page size here, and you can share this PDF document with your friends. You will see that. So this is basically the application we will be building, guys, and let me show you the path where it is stored. It is stored inside the downloads folder. You can see this is a file, the path is there. We can see inside the download folder inside my external storage directory of Android phone. If a 14 megabytes file is there, you will see this is the file here actually. And this is basically the application, guys, we will be building here. And you can also create more PDF files. Just tap on the image, and once it will create this PDF document, you will see that. So you can see that. So again, you will see it will create this PDF file. You will see 12 megabytes inside your downloads directory. So now we will be building this Android application from scratch, guys, using a very famous library called as iTextPDF, which is specifically a Java library in order to make PDF documents. So if you search on Google iText, if you just write this a leading PDF library for developers. So we will be using this library so inside our Android Studio. So let's start building this project. I have given all the source code, guys, in the description of this video. So if you want the full source code, you can go to the description of this video to follow along with this video. So now let's get started. So I will now make a new project here. I will choose the empty activity, and basically I will give it a name here of image to PDF project, and I will select the language as Java, and now I will click on finish. So it will build out this project for me, guys. So the very first thing we need to do after the Gradle process is finished, so now it is finished here, so we need to move to our basically the build.gradle file. This is basically the file here, and here you just need to paste this line at the bottom. This is the library that we are including, implementation, this one. Click on this button, synchronize now, and this will install this library. After that, you need to go to your Android manifest.xml file, guys, and here you need to basically include this permission, which is for the external storage. So we will be saving the PDF document, so we need this permission here, which is write external storage. And also, guys, we need to include this tag here, which is for the provider tag. So where we will be storing the PDF document, so we just need to include this provider tag. So all this is given in the description of the video step by step. So if you want the full source code, you can follow along. So we need to create this file, guys, file underscore paths inside our XML folder. Inside res, we have the XML folder. So we just need to create a new XML resource file, which is file underscore paths. And here we just need to paste this code that I am showing you. This is the code that you need to paste. That's all. This is just a config process, guys. That's all that you need to do inside your Android manifest.xml. You can even close this file, and close this file. So now we will write our layout. Just go to layout and activity underscore main.xml. So here we will have a simple button, guys. So you can delete this text view. We will basically have, you can also design it right here. You can just drag and drop a button here, and you can just use the constraint layout like this, and right here in the middle of the screen we can place this. So this is our button, guys, and now you can basically change the text of the button here. We can simply change the button text. We can say select images and export to PDF document. That's all. And we can give it an ID here. We can give it an ID here, which of export button. That's all. So that's all that you need to do, guys. You will see that this is basically your design. We can just eliminate document here just on the same line. So you will see this is basically the button here. It is looking quite good. And now we can run this application. If I run this application, you will see the live preview here. If you see here, it is just building out this application. Gradle is building. So you will see it will launch this application here. Just wait. So it is installation did not, the application could not be installed failed, conflicting provider. Okay, I think we need to include the inside your Android manifest.xml file, guys. You need to basically uh, inside wherever you do this, you need to include the package name. So in this case, our package name is not image to PDF. Our package name is image to PDF project. Now once again run this. So just replace your package name here, com example package name provider. So now your application will run here. You will see select images and export to PDF. If I hit this button, nothing will happen. Now we need to open the gallery to select the images. So now we need to write the code inside our main activity.java file. So right inside this file, guys, basically, let me just go to main activity.java file. So here, guys, first of all, we need to select the reference of the button that we declared here, right here. So we need some variables here. So first one for the button, this will be a private variable. Let me create some space here. So private button, and basically this will be for the export button. And also we need a static variable, guys, right here, static final, and integer it will be, and it will be pick underscore image request, and this will be a constant variable. Just initialize it to 1. That's all. And now we just need to basically, guys, first of all, we need to, as we open the app, we need to ask the user that if we can use their gallery, if we can use their images and videos. So for having this permission, guys, we can simply have if condition, if build dot version SDK, we will compare the SDK here like this. If it is greater than equal to the build version quotes M, like this, I think, sorry, build version underscore quotes dot M. If the version is greater than marshmallow, in that case we need to request the permission. So at runtime, so we will call this method check self permission, and inside this we need to call manifest.permission. We need to call this permission called as write external storage. This is the external storage we need to access. And for this, guys, you need to basically at the top you need to import this line, which is android.manifest. So if you just import this, your app error will gone. So this is just a slightly complicated code. Is not equal to package manager class we want, sorry, is not equal to package manager permission granted. So basically it is saying that if the user doesn't grant the permission to the app, what we need to do is that we need to request the permission. So in order to request the permission, we will do like this. We will paste this line here. This contains a method, right? It's inside your Java. Request permission, we will request the permission like this. We will pass the one code. So if you just basically do that, and now if you open that application once again inside your mobile phone, so what will happen here? It will first of all ask for the permission. You will see that allow image to PDF to access photos and media on your device. So we have two options, either we can allow or disallow. So we will click allow. So now when we click again, our gallery will open. So now to open the gallery, it's very easy. We need to write some code for opening the gallery. So we need to basically bind a on click to the button. So whenever we click the button, we need to first of all get the reference here. find view by ID, whatever ID that we have given, which is export button. So we need to basically bind set on click listener new view. So when we click this button, guys, so what should happen? So we need to basically open the gallery of the user by the intent class. So intent, we will import this intent, and here we will basically pass intent.action media scanner file. Sorry, this is action underscore pick, and then we will use the media store class, and inside this we will use this constant, which is images dot media dot external content URI. This is the, and now we will simply call this method start activity for result, and here we will pass the intent and also the constant that we have specified, pick image request. That's all. This is the constant that we declared. So now if you run this application once again, guys, so if you run this application now, if you click the button, your gallery will open like there. So now you will be able to select your images. Just use, you can see you can select images, and now we need to basically export them into PDF document. So how we can do that? It's very simple. Just move to your main activity.java. Now we need to basically implement a method, guys, which is equal to uh, uh, on activity result. So whenever you call this method, we need to implement a method which is on activity result. If you just write here on activity result, Android Studio will provide you. This is basically the life cycle method. So this super call is automatically added. It contains these three arguments: request code, result code, and this the intent, the actual data. In this case, it's the image that the user has selected. Now we simply need to basically have a if condition here, and we will simply check that if request code is double equal to the pick image request, and if the result code is equal to result OK, and the data also, the data that we are getting is not equal to null. In that case, we just need to basically call the method, and we need to basically, first of all, we need to convert this image URL to URI. So we will simply say, we will use the URI class, we will say data dot get data, and then we will simply call this method export to PDF. We will pass this selected image, and now we need to make this method, guys, which is export to PDF, so which will actually carry out the process for us. So this will be a simple private method, private void export to PDF, and basically this will be URI selected image. And now we need to basically generate PDF document, guys. So now for this we will first of all need to convert this to a bitmap, this URI. For converting this, we will surround all this code inside try catch block. So if any sort of error take place, we can catch it. So we can have the catch block. So this will be input output inspection E, and we will say e dot prevent print stack trace, and also we will show a simple message on the screen that error exporting to the PDF document, and it will also only show for very short time. So toast dot length short show, and now inside your try block, guys, so it is saying that let me see what is the problem here. I think it's a try block. Okay, I think I need to write some code here first of all. Yeah, we need to write some code here. And inside the try block, guys, first of all, we need to basically have just want to basically import the bitmap class, and we will simply have media store dot images dot media, and we will simply get the bitmap by calling this method get bitmap. And here you will say get content resolver and selected image. That's all. So this will convert this URI of the image to a bitmap. So now we can simply create a new PDF document. We will call PDF document. This will be coming from PDF document. This you need to import this one, which is com.iTextPDF.text.pdf. This one, not this one, Android graphics.pdf. So this one we need to import, and here you will say document and new PDF document. And here guys, we need to calculate the dimensions of the PDF document, such as the width and the height. So we will say PDF width. We will say bitmap dot get width, and the height bitmap dot get height. So whatever is the width and height of the image, we need to simply uh, calculate the width of height of PDF. And now we need to simply say PDF document dot page info. It contains this page info. Let me just see here, guys, what is. Okay, I think this one, you need to import this one, which is PDF graphics one. So that was a problem. So you need to import this one, which is this one. And now this one contains basically this method here, which is this method, which is called as page info. And yeah, this one, it contains this method page info. Page info, and we will declare a variable page info here. New PDF document page info dot builder, and we will pass the width and the height. And also we need to pass the constant one and page number, which is what is the page number that you need to have. And now we just simply need to click on create. So it will create this PDF document right here. And now guys, after this we need to say PDF document page and the page here, and here we'll say document dot start page page info. That's all. So now we need to draw this image on the PDF document. For this we will use the canvas class, and here we will say that page dot get canvas, and here we will say canvas dot draw bitmap, and we will draw the bitmap. This is x coordinate, y coordinate, and null for the paint. That's all. And then we will simply finish the document. So we will call this method PDF document finish page. We will pass the page here like this. So now guys, our PDF file is created. Now we simply need to store them inside external storage. We will generate a random file name by system class dot gut, and then we will concatenate the extension like this. Now we need to save this file, so we will use this file here like this constructor. We will pass environment. We will use the environment class, and it contains a method get external storage public directory, and here we will be storing it inside our downloads directory. So we will say directory downloads, and here we will simply concatenate the file name. That's all. So after doing this guys, we need to store them, the content of the PDF file. So we'll use the file output stream class and output stream and new file output stream here. and here we will pass the file like this. That's all. And here we'll say document dot write to output stream. That's all. And here we'll simply say a message on the screen that your file has been successfully PDF saved to, and then we will simply say the path, which is get absolute path, and we will show it for toast dot for longer, and we will show the message on the screen. That's all. So basically you will see that PDF saved to I think this needs to be double quotes, not single quote. Just replace it to double quotes. And that's all, guys. Now we can simply open this PDF document as well. After it is created, we'll use the URI class, and we'll get the PDF URI by file provider. It contains a method get URI from file, and we'll pass the context this, and then we will say build config dot application ID plus the provider, and this is the file here you need to pass here. That's all. And after this, guys, we can make use of the intent class to open this PDF document inside a PDF viewer, and we can pass the intent dot action view action underscore view, and here we will say intent dot set data type, set data and type, and here you will pass the PDF URI and the extension of PDF document, which is application underscore PDF. We will set the flags, and which will be intent dot flag underscore grant read URI permission, and also this permission, which is intent dot flag underscore activity no history, activity no history. That's all. We will start the activity, pass the intent here, and after this we also need to close the document, so we'll say close the document. That's all. This is basically the code, guys, for this project, and now we can run this application on the mobile phone. So if I now save this, click on the run button, you will see my application will be launched. If I click this button, pick the image, and let's suppose I pick this image, you will see a toast message will be there, and now I will be able to open this PDF document with the PDF viewer. This is actually, it is converted. You will see that this is my image, and you will see inside downloads directory a image has been added, 12 megabytes. You can see that PDF. You can share this, send this file like this. So this is basically the application, guys, where you can export your image to PDF document in Java in Android Studio. All the source code is given in the description of the video. Thank you very much for watching this video.